In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use full screen mode in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're using Acrobat Pro DC or Acrobat Reader, going full screen can really enhance your reading or presenting experience. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to make the most of this feature. To kick things off, let's talk about a quick shortcut that'll work wonders if you're in a hurry. If you're on a Windows machine, you can simply press Ctrl+L to enter full screen. On a Mac, it's Command+L. And hitting those same keys again will toggle you right back out. But don't worry, I'll explain all of this in detail as we go along. First, you'll want to open your PDF document. Start by launching Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Reader. Once your document is open and ready, you've got a couple of ways to go into full screen mode. If you prefer using menus, just head over to the View menu at the top of your screen. There you'll find the option for full screen mode. This is applicable whether you're on Windows or Mac OS. If you're more of a keyboard shortcut enthusiast, you can go ahead and use Ctrl+L on Windows or Command+L on Mac OS to jump right into full screen. Simple and efficient, right? Now let's talk about customization. Depending on your version of Adobe Acrobat, you may have a few options to tailor your experience. You can choose to enable or disable the on-screen navigation bar, which can be really useful for moving between pages effortlessly. If you prefer a clutter-free view, you might want to hide toolbars and menus. You can sort this out by heading into your Preferences or Options menu after exiting full screen. Look for settings under full screen or accessibility to make these changes. As you might also be able to tweak the background color, which can be great for adjusting contrast to your liking. Once everything is set up just right, you're ready to start presenting or reading. You can navigate freely through your document using your arrow keys or mouse. If your navigation controls are hidden, no worries. Just use the left and right arrow keys, page up and page down keys, or swipe if you're on a touch-enabled device to move around. When you're ready to exit full screen mode, simply press the Escape key. Alternatively, you can toggle back by using Ctrl+L or Command+L depending on your system, or find the same option in the View menu you used earlier. And that's all there is to it. Now you can enjoy your documents in full screen with confidence. If you found this tutorial helpful, please do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Adobe Acrobat tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.